Okay, good afternoon everyone. Before we start, I'm going to explain the main purpose of our program. Okay, we noticed that many people don't know how to manage their income properly. So our main objective of this program is to help us budget our income by percentage. Example, like how much we should spend on food per month. Okay, our statistics come from this website. This is a website that helps people to manage their financial issue and problem, or maybe that teach them how to manage their money income properly. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to explain our coding and our code and the function. Okay, at this three line is the basic thing that like hashtag include standard input output, and this one is used for string, and this one is for calculation max. Okay, this 7 is the function prototype, which we will call them in our function later on. Okay, this three line is our variable. The variable means the reason we didn't put all these variable inside our empty main is because that it's more convenient for us to use them in other line like function. Okay. Here is the structure. We name the structure detail, and inside is the structure variable is name, gender, and age. Okay, this bracket 15 is mean that our name can be input until 50 letter including the space. Okay, this is our main function. Okay, we're using the file and file pointer. This is the like line that to declare the file, and our file name will be saved as under report.txt, mean it will come out in notepad form. Okay, at this point the system color is mean that our program will have different color. At this case we're using color C, our color will become red color. If we're using A, it will become green color. Okay, in this case we're using the C. Okay, here is the structure detail, and then we name it info, which we'll be using in the dot operational. Okay, the main purpose of the f-flash standard input is to like we want to avoid any error during the display, so we insert this line. Okay, this is a dot operational that I mentioned just now. Is for it's like some sort of formula that structure use it. This fprint is to like the function of fprint is to like display all these things, info, name, gender, age into our file pointer. Means all these things the thing that user type in will become into the report.txt, this file. Okay, at this point here we ask the user, do you have any debt? If the user choose Y, means yes, this function will be run. Okay, we ask the user to insert their monthly income. Okay, after that we will display the monthly income at this point and call the other 6 function. Okay, at here they will printf mean display everything that the function calculate it into here. Mean all these things will like income, rental, utility, transportation, food, entertainment, and saving will be displayed into the notepad form inside the report that we mentioned just now, report.txt. Okay, here is the while loop. Like we ask the user if he or she want to continue do another round of counting. If yes, if the user enter Y, yes mean it will repeat this whole thing again. I mean until here. Repeat the thing just now mentioned. Okay. If the user just now enter the choice N, no, mean the user didn't have any debt, it will run all this coding at here. This is the same thing that I mentioned just now. Okay, and also the while loop. And f close means close the file pointer. This place we are using the function. Okay, the function is like for the rental is like income multiplied by 0.30. 30 is also mean has 30%. 30%, and the rest is the same. And printf here is like once we declare call this function, it will like do this formula calculation and display this whole line. Okay, the following is the same. Okay, all this function is like mentioned in all this place. Okay, that's all. Thank you.